AssisT is a free Chrome extension that adds text-to-speech, speech-to-text, AI tools, and over 30 accessibility features to any website, along with LMS systems like Classroom, Canvas, and Moodle. The first thing we need to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store to download the extension. You can get the link for this in the description. Once you've clicked on that link, you can add to Chrome and add the extension. For now, we can just skip setup, as we will set up the AI in a separate video. Now I'm just going to click on Open AssisT. Once this is done, we can close the AssisT tab. The final thing we need to do is to click on this jigsaw puzzle and pin this extension to the taskbar. Then we can easily access the extension by clicking on this AssisT icon. Clicking on this icon will give you the pop-up for the extension, where you can access all of the functionality. When you first open the extension pop-up, you will notice two dialogues. The first activates the extension on all websites. And the second will allow you to use the extension on any local HTML files. When you click on it, it will open up the extension's settings, and just click on this Allow Access to File URLs. And then you are fully set up. We can now just close this tab